Study electric field. Electric field. Electric field is defined as region or a space around a source charge or a charged body up to which their electrical influences or electrostatic force or electrical forces can be observed is called electric field. To define electric field, we have to define first source charge and test charge. Source charge, a point charge producing electric field, is known as source charge. Test charge, the infinitesimally small charge experiencing an electrostatic force in the electric field of a source charge is called test charge. Test charge serves as or acts as a detector, just as we use a tester to detect the electric current from a circuit. Electric field intensity. Electric field intensity is the force experienced by a test charge in the region of a source charge at a point. Electric field intensity. The electric field intensity due to a source charge at any point is the force experienced by a unit positive charge or test charge placed at that point. Now we are going to calculate electric field intensity due to a source charge at a point P. Let plus Q is a source charge and a point P plus Q is placed at point O, and we want to find the electric field intensity due to this source charge Q at point P. Let Q0, a test charge, is placed at P. Let a small r is the separation between O and P. Then force on Q0 due to source charge Q, say it is F. Both the charges are of same nature and therefore source charge will exert a force of repulsion on Q0, and therefore vector E, that is electric field intensity at point P due to charge plus Q, is equal to F by Q0. Its unit Newton per Coulomb. Dimensional formula: E equal to force upon charge equal to mLT minus 2, dimension of force, charge, current into time. mLT minus 2 upon I A and time T. T न्यूमरेटर में ले जाओगे तो t माइनस 1, t माइनस 2 और t माइनस 1 मल्टीप्लीकेशन में है तो t माइनस 3, a न्यूमरेटर में जाएगा तो a माइनस 1, ml t माइनस 3 a माइनस 1. This is the dimensional formula of electric field. Uniform and non-uniform. An electric field which has same strength and direction at every point in a region is called uniform electric field. In the same way, we may define as non-uniform electric field. The electric field which has different strength and direction at different point in a region is called non-uniform electric field. Electric field due to a point charge x y z, ये एक्सिस है, मतलब ये कोऑर्डिनेट है. ओरिजिन O पर कोई सोर्स चार्ज Q है and we want to find electric field at point P. Therefore, a test charge Q0 is placed at P. Test charge means a small amount of charge that can sense electrical force only without influencing the source charge. बिना सोर्स चार्ज को डिस्टर्ब किए केवल उसके इलेक्ट्रिकल इफेक्ट को एक्सपीरियंस करने का, ऑब्जर्व करने के लिए जो स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ चार्ज हम कंसीडर करते हैं उसको टेस्ट चार्ज बोलते हैं. पोजीशन वेक्टर ऑफ पॉइंट P और पोजीशन वेक्टर ऑफ टेस्ट चार्ज Q0 with respect to origin O is vector R. When distance is measured from O to P, then its unit vector is denoted as or cap. If we have to write force experienced by Q0 at P due to source charge Q, then it may be written as F equal to K Q naught by R square, and in vector form it may be written as in such way. But we are here to calculate the electric field intensity. Then from previous formula, vector E equal to F by Q naught. Therefore 1 by Q naught and value of F K Q naught by R square or cap. R cap means direction. R cap. Now E equal to Q naught cancel, K Q by R square unit vector or cap. Direction of force is away from P because source charge Q is positive as well as test charge Q0 is a unit positive charge. Therefore, source charge repulses charge Q0 and therefore direction of force is away from P or away from Q naught. This is the expression for electric field. In the expanded form, we may write it as E equal to, on putting the value of K, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught electrostatic constant Q by R square unit vector or cap. For magnitude of electric field, E equal to mod of vector E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. This is the magnitude of electric field.
Go.
Practically, it is find that magnitude of electric force decreases quickly with increase in distance from a charge producing electric field, and it may becomes undetectable after some distance. But theoretically, it is observed that electric field of a charged object can be considered to extend up to infinity. If we draw a graph between electric field and separation as shown in diagram, we find the variation of electric field with R as this. And if we draw the variation of electric field with respect to a square of distance 1 by r square, then we find that it is directly proportional to E. When R approaches infinity, then E approaches 0 or E becomes 0, which shows that electric field due to point source charge has infinite range.